To improve overall screen readability, you can apply some accessibility tweaks to the display of your iPhone. To make colors on your display more distinguishable from each other, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then tap Display and Text Size. Hit the switches Reduce Transparency and Increase Contrast. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and enable Reduce White Point to lower the brightness of white on the screen. Use the slider to adjust the intensity. Turn on Auto Brightness if not already turned on to have the screen adjust its brightness automatically to ambient lighting conditions. To increase text readability on your display, go to Settings. Scroll down to Display and Brightness. Scroll down and select Text Size, then drag the slider to the right to increase the text size on your iPhone. Go back and enable Bold Text to have text displayed bold. You can also increase the app icon size on your screen. Go to Display Zoom and change from Standard to Zoomed. Click Set in the upper right corner. Your phone will now briefly dim the screen to apply the new settings. Hit Home to see the new layout. You should now have configured your iPhone to be easily accessible for your child or parent.